Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all this spiral bound notebook haul. Recently I had shared a notebook haul which you all seem to like. So I thought of doing a separate video only on spiral bound notebooks. So before this also I have shared many notebooks here and there in the videos that I'll be leaving down the link to that all those playlists only down below in the description box. So at first I have this Navneet notebook, spiral notebook. It is 400 pages. I really like the spiral bound thing of this. It's quite huge, so it doesn't make any problem for you to open the pages. It doesn't get stuck and all in the middle. So yeah, that's the reason I really like the Navneet spiral bound book specially. So the cost of this is 180 rupees, but I got it for around 146 rupees I think. The quality is very good. You don't get margin and all for this. They're just normal rule pages. See this spiral bound thing, it's a huge, so it becomes very easy for you to turn the pages, and it's a very nice book. It's a 400 pages, very useful. Next I have this again from Navneet only, but they are like smaller size, 14.8 by 21 centimeter. It is again ruled. You get pack of 3 and it is 160 pages each. So the cost of this is 210 altogether, but I got it for 153 rupees. I really like the outer covering. It is hardbound and it is really very nice. The quality of pages are also nice. The individual book costs 70 rupees. For this, the spiral bound thing is very small, but it is also quite good. Like, it doesn't get stuck in middle the pages. It's a very nice product. I really like this. All of the three are very nice, and even the outer covering I liked. This is good for you to like write down small notes and all. It's good for that, like timetables, also such things. Next one is again from Navneet. This is HQ. I had shared this before also in the last haul, so I'll leave down the link in the description box. This is also amazing product. Here also you get this spiral bound. They are very nice, and if on the first page you get this plastic thing where you can put your papers and all that stuff, and even the pages are very nice. You can tear off the pages if you all want, like if you have written something and if you all want to tear up, it's very easy to tear as those dot things are there. The page quality is very good, and color of the book is also very nice. You get different colors also, I guess, in this. You all can check it out on Flipkart. I got this from Flipkart. It will be there on Amazon as well, I think. Next I have this Classmate spiral bound notebook. I had brought this pack of 2, like I had to buy minimum 2, so they are like retro kind of look. It gives you one this and one I had got of telephone, I think. This also I had shared before. So here you get weekly challenges. This is also quite good. Even the for this the spiral bound thing is quite good. It is red in color. It gives you nice look, all like because of that red color. It's an amazing product. Next I have this from Imagine. This is like a gift purpose kind of a diary. You can gift it like for someone and all, because it comes in proper box wrapping and all. And I think they also make a personalized diaries for you. In that note they have mentioned. This I got from Flipkart again, and the cost of this is 349 rupees, but I got it for 190 rupees. This is 200 pages. You get very good outer covering, like kind of a matte, and the spiral bound that you get is like a steel. The look is like a steel. Here you get to fill in your personal details. It's more of a like diary type of thing rather than using it for your like a notebook for your school college. This is like more of diary type where you can maybe write your to-do list and all such kind of things. For that it is quite good. Quality wise it is just amazing. So this is like matte finish from outside, and this is kind of steel. Next I have this Navneet book, again like the first one I shared, it is the same one, but this is 300 pages. This I had brought before, I didn't remember that, and the first one which I showed was 400 pages, so that's the only difference between the two. And this is for 140 rupees, that was 180, and I got it for 126 rupees. Otherwise the book is like same, both of them, and even their spiral bound is big, so it's very easy to turn the pages and all. It's an amazing notebook again. Then I have this from Classmate where you can put selfie and all. This also I had shared before, like most of the things I have shown before, but what happens is this is just for spiral bound, and there are some which I have not shown also again in this, so you can check out those videos where there are more different notebooks. So here you have to put selfie if you want, and here you can write your name and all that. This is also very nice. The page quality is nice of this. Mostly the Classmate ones have this smaller spiral bound thing compared to the Navneet, but the quality wise they are both same, similar kind. And this is the back cover. This is my favorite one as it is in lavender color and it looks really pretty. This was for 105 rupees. Then I have this Luxor notebook. This is a 6 subject notebook. This also I have shared before. There are 6 separate subjects, good for college use and all, even for schools you can use this like a rough book for each subject. It's an amazing product. The quality is just perfect. Quality of pages. And you get these separators which I kind of like. They are very beautiful like separators. The design on that. One more I had brought from Classmate, I think that was 6 subject. I had shared it before, you all can check that review. That was also amazing one. Even the separators of that was very nice and it was kind of long I think. So I'll leave that link in the description box, you all can check that out as well. And the price range was also somewhat similar, in the same price range. So this is the spiral bound. Then again I have this Luxor. This is a 1 subject one, similar to the previous one, like otherwise the look wise everything is similar, just the pages are less for this one, and that was the 6 subject one. So otherwise it is both same kind of. You get many other in Luxor also under the Luxor brand. I'll be leaving down the link in the description box to that video. Then I have got this from Prestigious. This is a different brand that I tried. Prestigious spiral notebook. It is A4. Then again it is 200 pages. The cost of this is 150 rupees, but I got it for 130 rupees. You get this outer plastic covering like for the front side. This gave me like more of a school vibe. I don't know why. Like the pages and all looked like that. but it's quite good. Only the thing I didn't like is the outer covering, the back covering of this. I don't know if I got it like that. It was like kind of a crippled, but otherwise the notebook is very nice, very good for school use also. So that's the back covering. I'll be leaving down the link of all this in the description box, and also other videos, you all can check it out.